Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn engineering graphics. Start by grasping the fundamental concepts. This includes understanding orthographic projection, which is crucial for representing three-dimensional objects in 2 dimensions. You will learn to create and interpret multi-view drawings, ensuring clear communication of design intent. Also, become proficient with essential drawing tools, both traditional and digital, to lay a strong foundation for your learning journey. Next, delve into key drawing techniques. Master isometric and oblique drawing to effectively visualize objects from different perspectives. Practice precise dimensioning and tolerancing, adhering to industry standards like ISMEION 4.5 to ensure manufacturing accuracy. Additionally, learn to create sectional and auxiliary views, which are vital for illustrating internal features and true shapes of inclined surfaces. Proficiency in computer-aided design, or CAD, software is indispensable. Dedicate time to hands-on practice with popular programs like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, or Inventor. Use these tools to create intricate three-dimensional models and complex assemblies. Applying your engineering graphics knowledge through CAD will bridge the gap between theoretical understanding and practical application, preparing you for professional challenges. Finally, explore advanced topics such as surface development and the intersection of solids to deepen your understanding. Consistent practice is paramount. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to drawing exercises to enhance your speed and precision. Regularly review industry best practices and common drafting errors to refine your skills and ensure your drawings are always clear, complete, and correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.